Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code KB5037770 and KB5037771, having errors when attempting to download or install them. So this is the Microsoft release cumulative update for Windows 11, 23H2 and 21H2. So this update brings some security patches and various fixes and improvements. And few common causes of this error include insufficient disk space, corrupt system files, software conflicts, corrupt update files, and third-party software. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this troubleshoot settings and then click open. And then here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again, here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update. And on right side, then you can see this run and then click. And pop-ups this Windows Update detecting problems. So we will wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, so we have problems found the Windows Update issues. So if this problems is already fixed, and then click yes, but if not, then click no. As well, you can view the detailed informations about these issues, and you need to follow the screen instructions to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows Update troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then you need to type and enter this command keyword as fc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this SFC scan now command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to copy and enter this command keyword DISM /online /cleanup image /Restorehealth. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here Ctrl+B and press enter. And deployment, image servicings, and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. So after completing these two commands, and then we need to close the CMD. And then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error KB5037770 and KB5037771 not installing on Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.